Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
How to balance CaHCO3 2 plus CaOH2 equal CaCO3 plus H2O? Correct answer is the balanced chemical equation for the reaction CaHCO3 2 plus CaOH2 equal CaCO3 plus H2O is 2CaHCO3 2 plus 2CaOH2 minus 4CaCO3 plus 2H2O. Correct answer. To balance this equation, you need to ensure that the number of each type of atom is the same on both sides of the equation. By adjusting the coefficients of the compounds involved, we can achieve this balance.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.